This is Shandong Liyuan Tower Manufacturing Company, Limited, as a provincial-level high-tech enterprise and green factory. Shandong Liyuan has been deeply engaged in tower manufacturing for 16 years, covering high-voltage transmission towers, substation structures, and steel structures. Traditional cutting of thick plates results in significant slag buildup, and secondary grinding consumes over 30% of the production cycle. Since the launch of the Rittmann Laser GF26030, we have not only completed orders in Xinjiang and Jiushan ahead of schedule, but have also taken on high-voltage transmission tower and substation structure projects in northern Shaanxi, Gansu, and other regions. Energy consumption per unit workpiece has decreased by 25%, meeting green factory standards, and annual production capacity has increased by 40%. This has supported the achievement of our annual production target of 110,000 tons. Rittmann Laser's 10-minute response after-sales service system further ensures product efficiency and quality. Thank you for Rittmann Laser's GF26030 steel cutting machine. Choosing Rittmann is not only choosing cutting-edge equipment, but also choosing a long-term partner. We look forward to working with Rittmann Laser to achieve greater success in the industrial production sector.